Hello brothers, sisters, here Kodo. So I'm in the northern part of Ghana, Upper West region. Brefo, Tanziri, what's it called? Tanziri. And today's recipe is one traditional indigenous food we have over here in Upper West region. It's called cassava leaf soup. Okay, so we just came to the backyard garden to get our fresh cassava leaves, and we're preparing this amazing soup using this recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is the first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's showcase and promote our local food to ourselves as Africans and to the world. And also, this is one version of how this Northerners use cassava leaves to prepare their cassava leaf soup. This is totally, I believe it will be different from how Liberians and Sierra Leoneans use their cassava leaves. But then, at the end of the day, we have a soup called cassava leaf soup. Let's do this. All right, it's 7 a.m. in the morning and I find myself on this beautiful land. I love coming here often because of the rich cultural heritage they have over here. And also how they embrace their local food. The northern part of Ghana is a place for relaxation and a peace of mind. I see. Okay, a garden. Yes. So this is our garden. And the cassava. So I get some cassava leaves. Okay, so this is a cassava from our backyard or from our garden. And we plug the leaves like that. So I'm here with Mavis. I and Mavis came and we just came to what do you call it? Get some cassava leaves from the garden, and we are now heading towards home. Okay, we are now going home to prepare this amazing recipe, and this is a landscape of where we are now. So since I was the only one who was going to eat the food, she took only a small portion of the cassava leaves, and I believe it's because that's not the recipe or the food that they'll be eating on that day. Since I wanted to try, they want to do something small for me to try. And over here, the main occupation is farming. So most of the food you have in the southern part of Ghana comes from the northern part of Ghana, especially the tuber food like yam. We also have cereals and grains like rice, peanuts, millet, etc. So this millet, how do you plant millet? Yeah, okay. So this is how they plant millet. Okay, so they've harvested it. It looks like corn, but it's not. It's millet. So all these parts being created, or these hips being created, is for the millet. So we have our cassava leaves, and we're taking off the stem from the leaf. Okay, so this is how we're doing it. We're gonna pound it. We're gonna pound it. So there's a mortar over here that they used to pound everything, being peanuts, ayoyo, cassava leaves, everything. So that's what we're using to pound this cassava. So it goes in and we pound it. So I was asking why we didn't wash the leaves, and she was saying that it's like we got it from the tree, the cassava stick. Okay. So since it wasn't falling or it wasn't on the ground, we can use it without washing. So this is our cassava leaves, pounded cassava leaves. They cover the mortar to avoid any dust from entering. So like I said, I was the only one going to try this recipe. So this is the quantity of the cassava we had after pounding it. Water was added to wash it, and also we added our bicarbonate or saltpeter, the liquid from the saltpeter, to cleanse or to make it more green. And also I've done a video how to use the saltpeter the natural way without using the rock or the stone itself. So this is the product we're using. Oh yeah. I drink one. Nkuto. Okay, so shea butter oil, nkuto. Okay, so this shea butter and goes in like that. That's what we're using to prepare our cassava leaf. So it goes in. First chop our garlic and goes in like that. So our onion now goes in after the garlic. The next step is the dawdawa that comes in. Okay, then make a quick stir. Mixing the flavor which is in and the onion and the garlic together and the dawdawa.
It's what one do and do for our son. Lana. Porpo.
Tomatoes goes in, fresh tomatoes. Man, some pleasant aroma coming. So now adding our pepper. Just like that. An amazing aroma, man. The shea butter oil and everything. This is so unique. Amazing. Authentic stuff. Traditional unique food over here. Amazing. So we're done with our sauce. So I believe this is sauce that will go together with the cassava leaves. So one thing I've learned over here in the northern part of Ghana is that when they are cooking, they don't waste much time or they don't allow the food to be on fire for a very long time. Because the little knowledge I know about food is that when it's being kept on fire for a very long time, it starts losing its nutrients. So the way these people cook is something that we should study and learn as well. So since this is the same pot that we'll be using to boil the cassava, we add water to the pot and we add in our kanwa or saltpeter or bicarbonate. So the best way to preserve or to use kanwa is to soak the rock or the stone inside the bottle, then add water around it. So the ashes or the acid will store under and the water will be on top. So that's what the Northerners used to cook. Now we stir our cassava leaves, we squeeze it and it goes inside. So this is dry okra and it goes inside the cassava to make it slimy. Our gravy goes inside back together. So the tomato sauce that was done before now goes inside the cassava and it's ready like this. So it's been on fire for 2 minutes and it's ready. As I said, they don't waste much time on fire. So the cassava was divided into two. So we're going to make another recipe using the same cassava for a different cassava soup recipe using cassava leaves with dry peanuts. So the first cassava leaves is called Benva Salo Zero. Okay, so Benva Salo Zero meaning cassava leaf soup. Today's recipe is a traditional food we have over here. They use cassava leaves to prepare this with peanuts, raw peanuts, and it's called bunfi. What's it called? Buleziere. Yeah, buleziere. So cassava leaves with raw peanuts, and it's an amazing recipe. Let's do this. If this is the first time watching, can you share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. It is what it is. Man, let's take you through the process, and you love it. You need to try this recipe. The cassava leaves that you have in your garden, your backyard, is the same leaves that will be preparing this soup with, and you love it. Let's do this. So we're about to prepare buleziere. Okay, so this is peanut soup with cassava leaves. So water inside the cassava, inside the pot, and our squeezed cassava comes in. So I met this lady at a funeral and I spoke to her about the local food, and they said, yeah, she's available to cook something for me. So when I went to her house in the morning, she has already finished cooking, and I said, no, I want to video how she was cooking. So in this recipe that we are cooking, the fish that she used for the previous cooking that's what's going to transfer to this pot, okay, because she's already prepared the food before I got there. She only thought I just wanted to eat something, not knowing I wanted to video how she was preparing. Our peanuts, pounded peanuts goes in like that. Now add our dawa to it. We'll chop our garlic. So it goes in like that. Our onion, chop onion. Pepper powder. Then stir everything together. Little salt has been added. Saltpeter is being added again. Bicarbonate, kanwa. Okay. So our cassava leaves is now ready. Okay, it's boiling. Yeah, so brothers, sisters, this is our cassava leaves. Okay, using peanut butter to prepare. Why could you say peanut butter? Pounded raw peanuts, okay. And this is the outcome of the whole cassava. Man, this looks different from the cassava leaf soup I did in Sierra Leone and Liberia. Let's take a bite. Damn, it's hot. Wow, man, it's amazing. So it's so tender, not spicy over here. We don't use much of this pepper and also the seasoning. That's everything. Man, it's so rich. Okay, it has the flavors inside your mouth. Cassava leaves with pounded. Wow. So over here, fish and meats, they do not use that much. Okay, because of the leaves. They believe the leaves can do everything. The flavors and the aroma over here. It's so unique. Banchi varies here. Banchi varies here. Yeah. Banchi varies. Man, it's so nice, man. Benva zero. Man, we're done with it. And it's cassava. They use cassava to prepare this. Cassava leaves to prepare this amazing recipe. Man, okra, dry okra soup. Dry okra was added, and now we have something like this. So with this, I didn't see salt being added, so it's kind of flat. Okay, the taste is flat, and it has the flavor also of the okra. Okay, it has the flavor of the okra inside this. It's nice, but I believe the salt was little. Okay, she told me that she didn't eat much of the salt over here. Okay, but then it's nice. It's really nice. It's really nice. Green. It has all the flavors. Okay, the shea butter, oil that was used to do the sauce. Okay. Man, I hope you enjoyed the video. If today is the first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's showcase and promote our African food to ourselves as Africans and to the world. Banchi varies here. Banchi varies here. Yeah. Man, it's so nice, man. When you're willing a young Chani or local Bape Janaba Fan, I mean, more day, Nazim, when one, or your own Luna, Tantia, your baby, Dona. When you're willing a young Chana, when you're willing a young Chani or local Bape Japan, more day, Nazim, when one is your own Luna, Tantia, your baby, Dona. When you will have young Kawli Changani, when you will have a young Kawli Changani, or Jaja, I say, Mude, Nadim, when one is in your own Nuna, I get your baby, and Dona. Salon, the Tiba, boy, Yabo, I was happy about Yanti and Bangazan, the Jinaka, was a blow, our body, Chana.